provinces in the Philippines. I don't know how many, believe it or not, 81. Abra, Kalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Atlan, Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan, Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Tarlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Kapusila, Bali, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur, El Bukidnon, Sambo, Casibugay, Del Sur, Albay, Sambo, del Norte din, there's Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. Mabuhay, these are the Philippine provinces. In our 7,107 islands, Davao Oriental and Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Negros Oriental and Occidental, Siquijor Mountain, Southern Latest.